One is the loneliest number that you ever do. But to make it better as one, it is your best decision. One is the loneliest number that you ever know. So make your obvious options. The what number are you choosing? No. No. Low is the saddest experience you ever know. Then is the saddest experience you ever know. Two, because one is the loneliest numbers that you ever do. Two is the brightest number you ever choose. Two, because one is the loneliest numbers that you ever do. Mm. No. Boom, 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 one is the loneliest number that you ever know. So make your obvious options. The which one do you choose? Because one is the loneliest number that you ever do. If you the only 1% that don't have any friends, ooh, friends, friends, friends. Mm, mm, Low is the saddest experience you ever know. And low is the percentages of your phone. And when you have low percent, which means you are sad, which means you need your friends you ever know. But then it's the saddest experience you ever know. Because one is the loneliest numbers that you ever do. One is the loneliest number that you ever do. But two can be better as one. You only miss a decision. Um, mm, choose carefully your numbers.